Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Well, after a very active afternoon across North Alabama, reports of flooding, reports of a tree down, lightning struck 2 houses in the Shoals. This is our view on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. The only activity that I can find for you right now is in extreme northeastern Cullman County, moving into Blount County. It's just a couple of showers, so nothing left to really move into North Alabama, and there's no lightning showing up anymore. You can even watch those showers fade over the past hour or so right over the river. So tonight we are down to 73 degrees. The storms have been tapering. It's a nice calm wind, and we'll have just a partly cloudy sky. If we get a little bit of clearing, we may even see some patchy fog. I started to see that in our camera over Muscle Shoals. For tomorrow, from start to finish, whistle stop may have those storm chances to deal with. It's only a 20% chance at 10 a.m., but by 2 o'clock in Huntsville, we're looking at a 40% chance for showers and storms. Goes up to a 50-50 shot by 7 o'clock. Temperatures at their hottest that you're looking at here, of course, 88 degrees, but I do have your forecast high closer to 90 degrees. It's close to average for this time of year. Lots of humidity, scattered storms off and on, but especially during the afternoon heading into the evening. Some of those storms can be on the stronger side. Gusty wind, very heavy rain, and of course, frequent lightning. We'll have to watch that flooding threat for you tomorrow as well. Future radar as we go throughout the rest of tonight. Notice the cloud cover, but notice the lack of rain. At least for tonight. By tomorrow morning, this data source is keying in on a couple of showers here and there. It's not widespread. As we get into the afternoon, we do start to see a little more activity. Just as I was saying, it's afternoon and evening storms into the first part of the overnight. Notice showers and storms kind of increasing in coverage here by 6:30, fading with the loss of daytime heating. We wake up Sunday morning to a quiet picture yet again, and then we go through all of this again on Sunday. Your storm chances are the same for both Saturday and Sunday. It's a 60% chance at most, and the temperatures not quite as hot on Sunday. As we get into Sunday night, though, look at this. It's not a totally quiet picture. Even by 10 o'clock, we got a couple of clusters of showers and storms still left over. Let's get you an update on what is still Tropical Depression Fred, yet to move out of Cuba and yet to re-strengthen to a tropical storm. It's tracking west at 12 miles per hour, still maximum sustained wind at 35 miles per hour. Now watch what happens here. I've overlaid the data source here showing you the rain with Fred here. This is just one data source, but it does give you an idea of what could be heading our way. This particular track here from the National Hurricane Center is a little bit farther west than what we were looking at earlier this evening. Regardless, still strengthening to a tropical storm here once it's back out into the eastern Gulf, making landfall here very close to the Alabama-Florida state line and the Panhandle, and then continuing that journey up into Alabama, bringing us plenty of Gulf moisture, and those rain chances will be on the increase as a result. So that's Fred. We're also monitoring now Tropical Depression 7 maximum sustained wind, 35 miles per hour, also tracking west at 21 miles per hour. It's going to follow along Fred's footsteps here over the next several days. So we'll be watching that for you too. 70 forecast looks like this. Got a 60% chance for rain and storms tomorrow, Sunday, and Monday. Temperatures dropping down into the mid 80s by the beginning of next week. You can always listen for your forecast. Nash Icon 93.3.